Join me today as we paint a cute cactus in a planter. As we paint the cactus in a planter, I use watercolor paper, round brushes in sizes 6 and 2, watercolors in the shades yellow, sap green, dark green, ultramarine blue, red and grey, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, tape, a micron black pen, a paper towel, and a jar of water. To paint the cactus, we shall use different shades of green. Let's sketch our cute cactus in a planter. We begin by sketching the planter. Feel free to sketch any design on your planter. For today's tutorial, I will sketch simple stripes. We now draw the outline of the cactus. And our sketch is ready for us to paint. Let's start painting our cactus in the planter by wetting the cactus sketch with clear water. We begin painting using the greenish-yellow color mix. Sweep your brush across the paper and enjoy watching the paint spread over the paper. Isn't it relaxing? Next, we add a darker greenish-yellow color mix, leaving the top portions of the cactus. Now we add the dark mixes of green to the base of the cactus to highlight shadows. Relax and enjoy the process of spreading color over the paper as you sweep your brush across the paper. And there we have painted a cute cactus in a planter. Feel free to add your own designs to the planter and unleash your creativity. Hope you enjoyed painting along and feel refreshed and relaxed after painting this.